Hello dear, how are you? In this problem 4 part 3, we have to find domain and range of the function g of x is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 2 by x plus 1. It is given that x cannot be minus 1. We cannot take x as a minus 1. Hence, because when we take x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 plus 1 makes a 0, and when any constant, any quantity divided by 0, we get infinite, function will be undefined. So we cannot take x equal to minus 1. Hence we write its domain. It is given that minus 1 is not included in our domain. So we have to remove minus 1 from set of our real number. Its domain will be, we write, or we start from here. We note that when x is equal to minus 1, function is not defined. Function is not defined at x equal to minus 1. So we have to remove minus 1 from set of real number. So domain of function, domain of g of x will be set of all real number subtracting minus 1. Set of all real number other than minus 1. This will be domain of function. To find its range, we first factorize the function. We write g of x to find range. We factorize the given function. We factorize the given function. We write f of x as x plus 1 multiply x plus 2 by x plus 1. By factorizing, we will get f of x as x plus 1, x plus 2 by x plus 1. We cancel x plus 1, x plus 1. The remaining function f of x is equal to x plus 2. Now this is a function. We have to put the values of our real number. Here f of x is equal to x plus 2. But we cannot take x equal to minus 1. Because x is equal to minus 1 is not included in our domain, we cannot put it x is equal to minus 1. When we put x is equal to minus 1 here, we will get, when we put x is equal to minus 1 here, we will get f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 2, we will get 1. Can you tell me 1 is included in our range or not? 1 cannot be included in our range because 1 will become at x equal to minus 1, but x equal to minus 1 is not included in our domain. At x equal to minus 1, function is not defined. We cannot take x equal to minus 1. When we cannot take x equal to minus 1, how can we take function value 1? So this 1, function value 1 is not included in our range. So we have to remove the real number 1 from the set of real number. So its range will be set of all real number except this one. Range of f of x, range of g of x. Range of g of x set up all real number except this one. This will be the range of function. Thank you.